Okay, here's the first fish of evening. Sun is just going down on, I think, Saturday the 16th, and got real windy earlier today, so I went off and about 10 o'clock and wind died back down, so I'm back out again and do a little night fishing tonight. We'll see how it goes. Okay, very next cast, and I got a good fish here. Oh yeah, gonna take the net this time. This is a good 5-pound fish here. Strong as an ox. Whoa. This is a strong fish. Okay, 3 pounds, 12 ounces. Sure felt a lot bigger. Nice fish. I think they just sit here for a while. Okay, got on fish number 3 here. Strong fish. Another fat one. There we go. Another one. Another beautiful fish. I found where they moved up to.